Guys, Apple Watch Series 12 could finally bring some of the biggest internal upgrades we've seen in years. Apple has reportedly been working on a new generation of its standard Apple Watch, and the latest leaks suggest this year's focus could be on performance, battery efficiency, and health features. So what's actually coming with the Apple Watch Series 12? Let's start with the launch date. The Series 12 is widely expected to be unveiled in September 2026, alongside Apple's new iPhone lineup. Apple hasn't officially confirmed the launch yet, but recent reports say the watch is already in late-stage testing. Now, here's one of the biggest upgrades. The chip. The Apple Watch Series 11, Ultra 3, and Say 3 all use Apple's S10 chip. For the Series 12, Apple is reportedly preparing a new generation chip, which could bring faster performance and better power efficiency after a one-year gap. The exact branding, whether Apple calls it S11 or S12, has not been confirmed. And that leads to another important upgrade: battery life. Reports suggest Apple is focusing on improving efficiency, which could help the Series 12 last longer on a single charge. It's not clear yet whether Apple will increase the physical battery capacity or achieve most of the improvement through the new chip and hardware optimization. Health tracking could also receive an upgrade. Apple is reportedly exploring additional sensor technology for the Series 12, while blood pressure-related notifications remain one of the most discussed potential features. However, this needs an important clarification. Don't expect the Apple Watch to suddenly become a medical blood pressure monitor. Current reporting suggests Apple is working on detecting signs associated with hypertension, rather than providing traditional cuff-style blood pressure measurements. The feature could also depend on regulatory approval. There's also been speculation about new bands with integrated health sensors, which could potentially allow Apple to collect additional measurements in the future. But this remains a rumor, not a confirmed feature. What about the design? Don't expect a completely new Apple Watch shape this year. Current reports suggest the Series 12 will largely retain the familiar design, with Apple concentrating more on what's happening inside the watch. There are also reports of possible new colors and band options. And finally, there's watchOS 27. The Series 12 will launch with Apple's next-generation watch software, which should bring new features and deeper improvements to the overall Apple Watch experience. Exact Series 12 exclusive software features are still unclear. So would you upgrade to the Apple Watch Series 12, or are you waiting for the Ultra 4? Let me know in the comments. And for more verified Apple leaks, upcoming product updates, and tech news, make sure to subscribe. Guys, the September Apple event is getting closer.